Ice. Gators with a big stuff block of Katie Leak. Go to a double look. Leak sent it across to the left hand. Taylor Brown Ice sets the ball across net and will get the kill. They go to the outside to LSU to Lindelof. The Gators with a stuff block. Brown Ice sets the middle. Chloe Mon got it down for the kill. Entry has served it fabulous tonight. Here's another good one. It's a service ace for Simone Entry. Go to the middle to Mon, and Mon appropriately kills it. Her 10th kill on the night.
It was a surreal moment. There were little tears, a little bit of waterworks at the beginning. I think when Slice stepped out onto the court and saw Mary, I was like, wow, it's really been 5 years here. And just thinking back to like all the memories that I've had, even here in the O-Dome, it just kind of hit me. But then it became more of like a happy thought, and I was like, this is going to be really exciting. We still have a chance to play for something great, and just the thought of how much I love this team just filled me, and then it became more happiness than sadness.
I think there were emotions flowing through the family, but I think my mom just kind of made me cry out there. And you know, once it came game time, I was pretty focused, but got that emotional side out of me.
I think we did a pretty good job defensively, both front row and back row. We got a lot of touches. We started off strong with our blocking in the first set with more stuffs, but slowly down the road, our backcourt started to help us out. And overall, I think it was a really good team effort with the win.
Great job. I think our serving helped a lot, getting them out of rhythm so they couldn't set the middles. And we did a really good job blocking their outside and right sides too.
Awesome. I knew once I was transitioning, I was like, oh gosh, she's going to set me this ball. So just making sure I was on time and didn't mess it up midway through the set. And Taylor's great, and I thank her for everything she's done throughout the short time, unfortunately, that we've had here, but it's been amazing, and I love her, and I love this team.
There was a reason for that, definitely. Just had to go to my senior captain, and great way to end it.
Exciting. It's fun. It's always fun to play at Kentucky. They always bring their A game, and their crowd's always really good, so it'll be a fun atmosphere to play in. Hopefully, if we can stay focused and driven, knowing for what's ahead to come after Kentucky, we should be pretty good.
Yeah, it went really fast. You know, Kentucky's going to be a great opponent for us. Just come in and, you know, in Lexington and do our job well, and we're going to be just fine.